the company, the people, the management, literally from top to bottom, I work with everybody, and I can't express how wonderful it is to come to work every day.
For me, Stiles is like family.
There's a lot of people here who've been here for over 25, 30, 35 years, and I would not have a problem if I ended up being that.
There's a real longevity here. So, and there's still some of us really old timers left.
I think the success of the company was based on the people that were able to attract to the company.
What I like mostly about Stiles is the way they treat their employees. They're very family oriented. You know, they don't just think of the employee, they think of your family.
For me, it was always a great pleasure working with Stiles, and it's still very appreciated to be part of this team.